What? You're fucking nuts, bro. You're fucking nuts, bro. Bro. Is that what I think it is? Hi, guys. It's been a while. I am so sorry. I've just been streaming so much, getting the clips ready for the daily uploads, that I haven't sat down and done a full YouTube video in like 6 weeks. Today, I've got an insane video for you. One of the homies, Jay, is a massive OVO collector. And when he found out that I'd not got anything in my collection, he hooked me up. Take a look at what he sent me. I hope you enjoy this one, guys. I've never ordered anything from OVO. And as we all know, Jay is a massive, massive OVO fan. If you don't know what OVO is, it's a very expensive brand. It's October's very own Drake's brand. And well, he sent me a care package. And he said, I must open this on stream. Look at this fucker. This is filled to the brim. Filled to the brim with OVO merch. It's their largest box that they do. It's literally filled to the brim. So, we're going to open this. What the fuck is all... Whoa, oh my God. Wait, hold on. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is fucking ridiculous. Look at all these snapbacks. Are you seeing this? This is the first thing I pull out. What the fuck? So, homies, this is the first cap. West End OVO. Ooh, bro. Ooh, I like this. With the all black embroidered OVO owl. Holy. Ooh, bro, look at this. Oh, it's got like a felt band around it as well. Oh my God. This is a Jumpman night collab. What the fuck? These are all OVO. The OVO scripture as well. Oh my God. Bro, chat, are you actually peeping how fucking insane this is? Bro, there's more. There's not just the caps, by the way. OVO 2008, is this like a graduation? It's like a graduation piece. Ooh! Oh, yeah, this one. Make these caps go for over £100 a cap. Yeah, I know, bro. This, Jay sent me like thousands of pounds worth of stuff. Look at this top season. OVO. The almighty regime. What the fuck, bro? Look at this. I like this one, bro. I like this one with that gold owl. These are fire. Ah! Bro, look at this. Capcom, you know that makes like Mario. This one must have been an OVO collab with them. Bro, that's sick. That's sick. That's the red one as well. So you see we had the graduation one. That's the red one. Bro, are you guys realising, by the way, there's a few other bits in here, plus, there's still all these. Oh my God, bro. Bro, you can't even get this if you weren't on the 2013 tour. No way. Would you like a tour? Bro, this is custom. No way. Right, okay. Look at this now. This is clean. This is clean. Holy shit. This is an Air Jordan collection Look at this. It's a lightweight snapback. White Jumpman OVO. Bro, are you seeing this? We've got the Capcom. We've got the Capcom in black. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, like a cartoon etch OVO. And the OVO embroidered here. What about this one, homies? I like this, man. I can see me rocking this a lot. I can see me rocking this a lot. All right, you know what? This one, nice simplistic feel. OVO here. Kind of looks like a vagina a bit, but anyway. Or maybe balls. Cock and balls. Cock and balls. Cock and balls. Bro, Jay, what the fuck, brother? Oh my God. So you know the first one we opened, West End, he's also got the East End OVO as well. So we got the East and West. Bro, Drake versus Lil Wayne. Look at it matching my t-shirt. Tell me that don't match my t-shirt. Tell me that doesn't match exactly my t-shirt. Ooh. Now this is cool. Look how smart this is. It's a Puff 3D emblem as well. You know, like the puffed one. And then we've got Haw on there. Bro, and I've still got 3 more. Okay. I see what they did here. So completely plain white, right? So you wouldn't even know. But then it's got the 6, you know, for the 6 god on the back, scribbled in. I like that one, bro. That's again, them 2 are nice casual pieces. We still got 2 more. Wow. Yes. Yes. Look. So we got 3 parts to this one. We got the O. Then we got the OVO on the side. And then we've got that's Roman numerals, right? Now that's fire. Again, very, very classy. And then the last cap, October's very own, with the same lettering. October's very own. It looks like Grime Daily. Do you know, like the Grime Daily, GRM, check it out on a daily. So we got all these caps, and all these caps, and all these caps, and all these caps. We got all of these. Homies, this is just the start of the unboxing. Do you understand how crazy this is, chat? Timberland's X OVO. Timberland X OVO. Are you fucking nuts, homies? Bro, with the Supreme stickers, with the OVO stickers, are you mad? Bro, what the fuck, Jay? Bro. Look at these, man. Look at these, bro. Look at the detail. OVO, Timberland. Bro, they're like sneaker boots, Gore-Tex. Timberland X OVO. Right, I don't know this. Bro. Look at this. October's very own candle. Homies. OVO candle. What the fuck? Bro, what's this? No! Bro! Look at this! What? You're fucking nuts, bro. You're fucking nuts, bro. Bro, you don't even know what he's blessed me with. The OVO Jumpman backpack. Travel backpack. Fuck off. Bro, there was more stuff in the bag. Bro, there was more stuff in the bag. What the fuck? Bro, here's me thinking we were done. What? I said there was stuff in the bag. I could feel it. So, OVO, shoehorn, homies. Shoehorn. OVO shoehorn, that's fucking sick. Incense sticks. OVO incense sticks. Jay gave us 20 OVO snapbacks. A pair of OVO Timberlands. A shoe horse. Some incense sticks. An OVO candle. And the OVO... This is fucking ridiculous. Yeah, it's an incense holder. So it's an incense holder and incense sticks. Yeah, that would make more sense. Jay got us an incense holder, some incense sticks, 20 OVO snapbacks, the OVO X Timberlands collab, Brick Bear, the candle, OVO X Nike or Jordan, which is insane. I'm going to be using this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like. Be sure to subscribe. You already know that I post every single day, and I am getting back to my full-length YouTube videos, okay? So until the next one, peace, homies.